Alright, so I'm going to see if I can figure out how to get this working. Okay, crease dash lines face to face. I think this is what this means. Okay, they look face to face. Unfold. Looking kind of cool. Where do the end tabs go? I think that's it. I'm supposed to like do this thing? I think mine's broken. Alright, I think I know where I went wrong. Okay, it's looking alright. Oh, look at that. It's doing the thing. Uh-oh. Okay, well, learned a lot today. This is a beautiful piece of paper. This is art. Thank you so much. Realizing that failure wasn't an option, I decided to make a second attempt at a Flextangle. Now, I will admit, I cheated and watched a YouTube video so I would have the exact directions that would help me through my journey. And it wasn't easy, but I did succeed to make a working, functioning Flextangle. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching the video. I appreciate each and every one of you. If you want to see more content like that, then follow me on Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, all Drug-Free Dave. And also, if you want more in-depth, structured tutorials, then definitely check out my Skillshare. I have about 11 Skillshare classes now, and you can use the links below and get 2 weeks free. And in those 2 weeks, you can take all of my classes for free. So, of course, as always, keep drawing, and I'll see you in the next video.